100 on my wrist, 80 on my wrist. What? 100 on my wrist, 80 on my wrist. 100 on my wrist, 80 on my wrist. 100 on my wrist, 80 on my wrist. Zeros, 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 zeros. 80 on my wrist, 100 on my wrist. What? 80 on my wrist, 100 on my wrist. 80 on my wrist. What? 100 on my wrist. 80 on my wrist. 100 on my wrist. Zeros.
Hi guys, it's Junior and I'm back at it again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing the everyday makeup video, whatever. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I wear my makeup when I just casually go out into the world. And I have my contacts in today because I plan on going out after this video, you know. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy me putting on my makeup. And the only thing I do with my makeup is that I do my eyebrows, I put on eyeliner, I put on lashes, contour, I do my lips, and I put on highlight, and that's about it. So see y'all at the end of this video, I guess. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Alright, so this is basically what I look like normally when I go out with my friends or if I run an errand and things like that. So this is basically my everyday makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed me putting on my makeup, and you know, I hope you guys liked it. If you have a suggestion, you know, maybe I could work on like fixing some of my, you know, imperfections, whatever. So if you guys want, you know, to give me some tips on makeup, leave them in the comments below. If you want to see me do more makeup tutorials, because I've been slacking on that, let me know. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you can know when I upload a video. I upload videos either every Saturday or Sunday, or I might do both, you never know. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Junior. Bye.